welcome everybody. It's Jenna from Beauty Disclosure. So welcome. I thought I'd do a little bit of a different video. I thought right now with everything going on, we're still kind of in phase 2 of lockdown, and a lot of people maybe just don't have quite as much money or as much expendable income, which I think a lot of people are in the same boat. And I know the nail salons are starting to open up in the next couple of weeks. But I just thought I'd do an at-home gel nail review simply because it's a good option maybe for people who are trying to still save a bit of money. I got this one here. This is the Sensationail. This is an at-home gel nail kit, and it comes with everything you need. It also comes with 4 colours. The lamp, it comes with everything you need. And the best part of this one is it actually peels off. So after 2 weeks, it peels off, which I thought was a lot simpler. I did get this on offer. There are different kits. Like I say, it comes with absolutely everything you could need. It's got 4 colours. The colours are here. So you've got like a nude, you've got a glitter, you've got the berry one, which I've got on just now. And this one, it looks black, but it's actually like a dark brown, which is quite nice, I think, if you're going to have a night out. And it's, like I say, it's got absolutely everything you need. The lamp is brilliant, and your colours, you've got your sticky base coat, which peels off, and then that's your top coat. And yeah, you've got your nail file, all sorts, your lint, little lint pads to make sure your nails are clean. I did my nails in the pinky colour, the mauve berry, just under 2 weeks ago, so not quite 2 weeks, and this is what they look like. So as you can see, we have they have chipped somewhat around the, I don't know if you can see that, around there, and yeah, they're a little bit messy just around the tops. That one there, I'm not swearing, that one there, actually it was the nail itself which peeled. I used to work in retail, and I used to work in a shoe shop, and I used to have to put like my fingers inside shoes to take the stuffing out, and these nails and these nails here, they would just constantly break just from constantly pulling at them, and so they've never actually grown particularly well, and they just tend to be brittle and just break so easily. I did buy this separately, so I will let you know. This is to help you get your nail varnish off, for gel nail varnish. It's like a tool, and it helps you just scrape it right off. So this was separate. I think I spent about £5 on this one from Amazon, but I thought this might be quite helpful and less damaging for taking the nail varnish off. So let's get to the good bit. So first job, take away the nail varnish from the previous time. The pink has to go, and using the tool, it actually comes away quite easily. You don't have to use the tool, but I just found it a little extra helpful. I do both hands here, obviously. And then file. You have to file it to get the correct shape that works for you, and nail down any raw edges or rough edges so that the nail varnish can go on quite easily. Then I get some of the acetone and just wipe off any residue that was from the previous nail varnish. And then use the tool to push back the cuticles so that when you put the nail varnish on, it doesn't stick to them. And then use this smooth buffer end of the nail file to make your nails super smooth. And just keep buffing away until your nails are super smooth, especially your cuticle area. Make sure that that's smooth as well. And then for the next job, wash your hands with some fairy liquid to get off any oils that might be on there. So your hands are clean now. Your nails are clean, and I'm just using the lint pads to give them an extra clean. And time for the base coat. This is the peel off base coat. This is what will help it stick, and I'm just going around the edges, making sure that it's not actually stuck onto my cuticles, as when it'll grow, it'll makes it peel off quicker. So base coat done, now colour. So I've gone for the nude colour here, and I'm just doing a layer, one layer at a time, and then putting it under the light. The light automatically switches off after 30 seconds, which is incredibly handy. I move the light towards my thumb just so that I'm holding it at the right angle so that the nail varnish doesn't move around and it is flat. I'm making sure I take extra care on the very tips of the nails so that they are covered and won't chip away. And thumb again. And just for extra, a good lot of glitter. I really like this glitter one. It's really, really pretty and can just make any nail colour just look so pretty and pop. So the next job, top coat. Now the top coat is really thick, so you really need to make sure you thin it out. It does not need a lot at all, but yeah, does a good job. And this only needs 15 seconds under the light rather than the 30 seconds you need for the colour. Do both hands and voila! So that's the whole process from start to finish. That is how the Sensationail gel peel off polish works. I hope that that's been helpful for you, and I hope that that's made you maybe think about whether you want to get a kit yourself. And I've actually really enjoyed doing my nails, and it's really nice to have nail varnish that actually stays on my nails and doesn't chip longer than a day, because normal nail varnish just chips next day. Anyways, at least this one gives me a good week to 2 weeks of use. So I've really enjoyed using it. I really like being able to just, you know, pick and choose. I'll have a little bit of this, or I'll pick all 3, 4 colours, or maybe I'll just go all glittery. You know, that's one of the great things about this kind of sets. You've got choices and you can be creative. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I hope that you like it. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. We've got lots more reviews coming out of lots more beauty products from lots of different beauty brands. So please like us, subscribe us, and we'll see you soon. Bye.